Hi everybody, Greg Davis down here in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at the brand new remodeled 250 sun deck outboard from Sea Ray. They did a really nice job this year on the remodel. This one's got the 300 V8 horsepower, really great back swim deck here. They remodeled the cushions up front on the back sun pad. This has got great storage in here for your batteries. Everything goes in here. Stereo control, charging port, shower, flagpole. It's got pretty much everything you want here. On this side, it's got the little doggy door here. Keep the kids or the dogs from getting on the back porch here. Got a great layout inside. Plenty of seating for everybody with storage underneath the seats here. Here's a built-in cooler for you there. This one has the sea deck on the floor, which is real nice on the feet. Giant storage under here for your covers and your fillers and all the stuff that people bring. This one does have induction charging here. And you'll also find one at the helm here too. And looking at the helm, they've got the Simrad GPS here, a small glove box, Lenco trim tabs, the new Mercury controls, Fusion stereo upgrade. And on the redesign, they moved everything over. The stereo's on this side now, but it gives you a lot more room on the side here. But you still also have this great cabin compartment here that you can open up here with a full head and like a day mattress, a day room if you needed it, or storage. Locks very easily like this. This pulls in, closes up. The bow rider section offers a ton of room. Sea deck carried up here. Built-in cooler in the floor here if you wanted to store extra drinks and ice. This one, a nice feature on this is the anchor storage with a built-in beach boarding ladder. So if you go up to the sandbar, you can have people load in and out of the boat from the bow without worrying about the engine getting onto the bottom. Very well redone, ton of room for a 25-foot boat, very comfortable for the family. If you'd like more information on this boat or any boat that we carry here in Savannah, please feel free to give me a call.